Hi, let's talk about why you might second guess decisions. I used to ask 5 different people what they thought before I'd even make some small decision. What color to paint a room? Whether I should take that job or not? I would collect everyone's opinions like I was building some sort of a case because somewhere deep down I didn't trust myself to just decide. If you are outsourcing your decisions to, this video's for you. Self-trust is one of those things that we aren't just handed. For a lot of us, it kind of gets chipped away early. Maybe your choices got second-guessed or overruled, or you learned that the adults around you knew better and you were safest to just go along. So you grew up doubting your own read on things, and now as an adult who's allowed to choose, you still freeze or poll the audience or wait for somebody to tell you the right answer. And the painful part is every time you override your own knowing and hand the decision to someone else, you teach yourself one more time that you can't trust your own decision making. You never get the reps in of choosing and seeing it through. So the trust never gets a chance to really grow. Self-doubt feeds itself. Want to know how you build self-trust back? The same way you build trust with a person, by keeping small promises. Start tiny. Make a small decision on your own without polling the audience and follow through. Pick the restaurant. Choose the paint color. Decide how you want to spend your Saturday and then spend it that way. Each kept promise to yourself is a little deposit, and the account will grow and grow. And get familiar with your own yes and no. Before you reach for everybody else's opinion, pause and check in first. What do I think? What does my gut say here? You don't have to obey it blindly, but it is helpful to start listening to it, because a voice that you don't consult isn't ever going to get stronger. You've made it this far in your life with whatever decisions you've made, and you're still standing. You've survived every single choice you were ever unsure about. That's real evidence that you can handle more than your doubt gives you credit for. So getting input from people you trust is fine. Just stop looking for permission. Start trying to make one small decision entirely on your own and follow it through. So tell me in the comments, are you a decide it yourself person, or let me ask as many people as possible before I make a decision? And no judgment. Hey, I used to live in the second guess myself camp for a really long time. I love you, take care of yourself, and I'm sending you peace and light.